welcome to Skillhai. This is your guitar trainer Souvik, and we're back with another guitar lesson. Today's topic is about a guitar lead, which is a very beginner-friendly lead, which uses two strings of our guitar. That is the first string and the second string. Okay, so you read the strings from this side of the from downwards, like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this is the sixth one. So with this and throughout the entire song, we'll be just using these first and the second string. Okay, and it sounds like this way. So what we're doing here is this is the we put our ring finger on the fourth fret of the first string, then on the second fret, then back to the fourth fret, then fifth fret. So it would sound this way. Okay, so this is the first part of the lead. Now coming back to the second part. Second part goes with the second fret, you'll be playing it thrice. Now you'll be putting your ring finger on the second string, fourth fret. The frets are the same, but the strings have changed this time. So what you'll be doing here? 2, 2. What I am doing here is 2, 2, 2, 4. This 4, this is of the second string. Then back to the first string. Lead goes with 2, 4, 5, 4, 2, 4, 5, 2. Now from here itself, you'll be playing the 2 thrice. That is the second part begins. You'll be playing the 2 thrice. 2, 2, 2, 4. Now this is where the second string comes to the play. 4. And rest of the song goes with the first string itself. So 2,